Like on the first night, you know, if you're feeling it and you're in the moment, well, we're not here to mess around. I mean,
hey, win the whistle. Don't you have any respect for the woman?
but okay, if she's keen, then yeah, go for it. What's the problem?
Hey, but this one, hot shot. What if it's that time of the month for her? You still gonna go there? You still gonna try?
Yeah,
You're still gonna try?
yeah,
Say it again, I dare you.
yeah.
I'm very upset at the moment because I'm just trying to have a man-to-man conversation and this fucker, he not talking to me properly. Yeah, everything I ask him is a yeah. No, just a yeah, every time the same thing. I could ask him anything, he'll say yes. If I'm cool to you too.